Hello, in front of me I've got KEYCHRON K4 HE. In this video I'll tell you how to connect it with PC. In the beginning we've got two methods connecting it with PC. Actually three, with the wired connection. Firstly, we can simply switch on Bluetooth and connect it via Bluetooth. But Bluetooth and wireless connection makes polling rate lower. Next, we can use this 2.4G adapter. Simply connect it to the PC and via this button here, switch connection to 2.4G. In the end, we can connect our keyboard to PC using wired connection. To do this, simply connect the cable to PC and to the keyboard. You can also attach two adapters like this. This part connects to PC and this adapter connect here. Thanks to this connection, you can use the keyboard wirelessly, and in case of needing to charge it, simply you can unplug this and connect keyboard to the cable directly. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.